how's it going, guys? This is the one, the Onigiri, and welcome to Fluffy Store. So this is a new game that was on Steam for like 4 days now, and I saw this, I wanted to download this, and apparently it's a adventure RPG of some type. I haven't heard much about the game, but I'm pretty sure that it's doing good in Steam. Yeah, not much else to commentate on. Oh, by the way, this is gonna get a little bit sexual, so I'm not sure if YouTube is gonna allow this, but let's just hope they do. Let's go ahead and start it.
それじゃあ始める。
Oh yeah, by the way, this has voice acting, so I like that. Welcome to Fluffy Store. Oh shit, I should probably move the webcam a bit. No, we're good. So, here's a problem, guys. I'm afraid that if I move, cause you guys can see, but there are, options for a load and all this shit. Oh no, that's just the, oh, okay. I can take that. That's just the menu. It's kinda strange that it would be right here instead of... Then again, DDoC was kind of like this, so I guess it's a visual novel. Let's expect that. So yeah. So I'm guessing this is my character. This is our protag, Lin Yang. Everything is arranged nicely. Yep, exactly. Oh, okay. I signed relief upon hanging and open for business soon signboard on the brand new glass doors. Over the past 2 months, I've been renovating, decorating, and rearranging the store. Now everything is complete. My convenience store is ready to go. Oh, so I guess either shut down or moved into a new store or some sort of shit. I don't know. I'll be my own boss tomorrow onwards. Of course, my new life will begin as well. When I clean the shelf with a rag once again, I see one end of the shelf reflect the beautiful orange glow from the sunset. It looks nice. It's pretty. Well, I bet it is, but the newly renovated convenience store reminds me of what happened 3 months ago. Ooh, backstory. When I was about to graduate from college back then, I sent thousands of resume copies to various companies and was also interviewed by several companies. Yet in the end, I got nothing. Oh, so we're a graduate. That's cool. Feeling quite depressed, I came across news on my hometown. It said my hometown has become a showcase model by developing scenic spots consisting of hot springs and a theme park for tourists. Oh, neat. Therefore, on the same day after my graduation ceremony, I texted my mother that I will inherit Grandpa's store. Oh, so this is a convenience store that my grandpa owns. That's cool. And boarded the train with my entire savings to return to my hometown. A town where I'd spend my entire childhood. When I got off the train, I received my mother's phone call. Mother? What's up? Oh, I thought this was gonna have voice acting. Yang, where'd you go? I'm already back in my hometown. Ah, you really have gone there? Sure, we can think of other ways to help you and get a job if you can't find one here. Mother, I really don't want to look for a job any longer. Let me go, please. Hey, you're a college graduate, but you didn't make an effort to find a job in the big city, and have gone back to your hometown to run a glorified snack booth instead. It'd be so embarrassing if others hear of it. So what, isn't a college graduate still a person? Moreover, I'm going to open a convenience store and manage a convenience store. What's so embarrassing about it? Fine, fine. You'd regard a small store as a convenience store. Let me try, please. If I fail, I'll look for a job again. Since your grandpa passed away, nobody has sorted out the place. It's so shabby now. Your father and I plan to sell it in a few years' time to pay for the down payment of a house for you in the city. Then wait for me to open the store, attract a crowd, and make it popular. We can still sell it by then. You have many ideas and we can't stop you from pursuing them. But you should see the current situation. Okay, goodbye. I still need to find out a renovator. I disregarded my mother's chatter and hung up forcefully. What a doting mom, guys. No one ever said a graduate from college can't open a convenience store. A few people are laughing as they walk along the street and past the shop's doors, and I snap back to reality. Indeed, the news have reported this small town is no longer the same as the one in my memories, except for some tile fragments that were left behind on purpose as scenic spots. The old streets and buildings seem to have gone along with those elders from Grandpa's generation. Damn. This town is changing. I can feel the Quanad vibes, guys. Hopefully this is not going to be anything like Quanad. Right? Guys? As time goes by, everything will change. Oh god. It's like Quanad. Oh boy. Well, welcome back to another Slice of Life anime. Or no, Slice of Life visual novel, I guess. I put aside the rag and hurried back and forth from the storage area to move the goods for display at the store shelves. The storage area is behind the store with only a door in between. Yet it takes a lot of effort to sort out goods when you don't have equipment going on the corresponding shelves for display one by one. Time to get an assistant. I should be thrifty when business hasn't started, but there are piles of goods scattered everywhere, and I have this feeling where I might collapse from exhaustion sooner or later if I don't get an assistant. I remember there are several sets of uniforms that were given by the boss of a wholesome company. These uniforms were products on trial from his daughter who studied fashion design. Because all his employees are men, the clothes are useless to them, and the boss gave them to me. It's a free deal, guys. They look nice, and are free of charge, so I'm happy to accept them. I also went to a tailor shop to have the words "Lens Store" embroidered on them. But I would still have to move the But I would still have to move the goods myself if I recruit a girl. Tired and sweaty, I sit at the storage area's back entrance, squint and stare dreamily at the sun, which is going down slowly. Oh god. You guys ever have those moments where you just watch the sun? When it's still in the sky, you're in a park somewhere, and it's sunset already and it's going down. Oh my god. That's so beautiful, guys. Will I have this moment of free time to enjoy the scenery again tomorrow? I don't know, man. Maybe if you get lucky. I should check whether Grandpa left any lucky charm behind if such as the Neko to bless my business. Is that the one where there's a little cat figure doing this? Ah. I think that is, right? You know, you guys know what I'm talking about, right? I have to return to Grandpa's room. Grandpa's room is on the second floor. Nobody came to tidy this place ever since Grandpa passed away. Damn. This is gonna be sad. Upon opening the door at his room, there was a musty odor. Luckily, the electric lamp still works. With the dim yellow light from the dusty lamp, I walked across to open the creaky wooden door for ventilation. Ah, what's that? After opening the window, my arm seems to have knocked something over when I turned around. Fucking trains. Don't mind the sound outside, guys. Let's just continue on the game. I gotta change the light bulb. Grandpa's room is full of various knickknacks. Oh, that's when you know you have a pretty colorful grandpa. Oh. That he has a lot of knickknacks and relics and shit like that. That's awesome, guys. It really is. Besides his relics, there are family heirlooms too. That's how you say it. Heirlooms, right? I'm not wrong, am I? I seem to have knocked over a wooden case which was toppled. Oh god, no. Make sure it's not broke. Okay, since I'm failing to bump it into it, let's check what's inside. I stumbled upon that sentence. I can't read today. When I squat down and turn the wooden case over, the layer of dust on it is thinner after it toppled. The case is unlocked, and a wind chime is lying inside. It looks old. The string holding the wind chime together has already frayed. 3 small bells drop and scatter across the mattress. Sounds nice. I can hang on the door after repairing it. When the customer is calm, it will ring. The sound it makes should be much nicer than the electronic doorbells with sensors at most convenience stores. Yeah, you know what? Fuck 7-Eleven, guys. Nice, living room. I bring the wild chime to the living room, cut several pieces of string for packing items to tie the small bells, and begin the repair work. Done. The wind chime is repaired after I put a lot of care into it. I wonder whether it has any feelings on being given a new lease on life. Let's try it and see if it works. When I hold up the ring chime, it rotates slowly before me, with different carvings on each facet. Is that how you say it? Facet? I don't know. I can't read today. Its brass color looks radiant under the light from the sun. Ah. See, I like that. Oh god, why can't all convenience stores like 7-Eleven have this shit? A sudden gust of wind blows in through the window, making the wind chime sway as if it's a dream from my childhood. Sweet cakes, fragrant leaves, and the cool summer wind fill me with joy. I stay still for quite a long time. Okay, maybe I should save.
Memo した。
Yeah, let's see what this does. Okay. I think we're good, you guys. I stayed still for quite a long time. Until I feel dizzy all of a sudden. Wait, what? Oh! Oh! YouTube don't fucking... Oh my god. I'm gonna get an age restriction on this shit. I just know it. Okay. What's going on? I staggered back a few steps before regaining my footing and bearings. Bearings? What? What happened? In front of me, there are two girls who seem to be asleep while lying on the floor. They're breathing at a steady pace with their chests heaving. Oh gosh. Oh my god, we're gonna get a few ecchi scenes, are we? Which I like. Oh god. This better not be. This better not be more ecchi than it already has. Am I really dreaming? Well, if you are dreaming, you're having the best dream of your life, man. Is this my home? I look around and slap my face. Yes, it is my home. Everything is no different from before. But when I look at the back of the floor, that unusual sight is still there. Still two girls, no more, no less, sleeping quietly on the floor. Oh my god, please tell me they're wearing underwear. Please tell me they're wearing pantsu. Oh gosh, because I don't want to have to put a censor shit on the screen. I really don't. Wake up. No response, they're still lying there quietly. I can't tell whether the old clothes around their bodies is an outfit or a towel. While judging by the rip, I guess, look on the clothes, they're clothes, man. You just have to accept it. An outfit or a towel. I can see I can even see their fair skin faintly through the shaggy rabs, or shabby rabs. A wave of adrenaline surges in my head. I can feel my entire face become extremely hot. I swallow my saliva to relieve the hot flush in my head. Don't think too much. I just want to verify. I put aside the wind. Oh my god. Are they cat girls? Oh no, that's not a cat. That's... Is that a fox? Are those fox ears? Are those fox ears? What? Is this like a fox version of Nekopara? Oh yeah, by the way, I might be doing a Nekopara gameplay soon, so look forward to that in the update. Okay, thank you. I put aside the wind shim, which I was holding all this while, and take a closer look at the two girls. Finally, I can see their entire forms clearly. So adorable. Okay. But why do they have those weird ears? The girl with the pale purple hair has ears like a rabbit, while the one with long pink hair has a pair of ears like a dog or a fox. Oh, I didn't see because the webcam is blocking it. Also, is it just me or is this shutter speed? Okay. Wait. Okay, shutter speed is normal. It's just a little bit wonky today. Furry and warm. I touched her ears separately. They feel like living things. What on earth are they? I exhale in fright. This doesn't look anything. This doesn't look like anything a human would have. Well, you never know, cat girls. So, does it even matter? Oh, this does have voice acting. I thought it didn't have voice acting. Okay, so that means I can't. Okay. I try to lift their ears again. Suddenly, the girl with the fox ears groans softly. I got a fright and quickly step back, but my body isn't listening to me, and I ended up sitting on the floor. Oh, okay. Let's hope this isn't gonna be an ecchi scene, guys. This time, the two girls wake up, and they look at me sleepily. You are awake. It has nothing to do with me. I know nothing. Oh yeah, I just happened to came into this room and see that you two girls are sleeping like, I don't know, babies, I guess. I quickly composed myself to hide my improper behavior from just now. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is so cute. They still seem groggy. Who are you? Oh my god. Their eyes move. The girls look at each other, then look at me in confusion before they shake their heads. Oh my god, this is so cute. Okay, I gotta save this, guys. Oh, there's, I guess I can close this. Yeah. Okay. Well, I scratched my head. Should I tell them they dropped off from the wind chime? Oh, okay. Me? Oh no! I'm a kidnapper all of a sudden. Oh boy! Huh? It's my home, and both of you suddenly barged in. Well, not really barged in, but just appeared, dude. You know, magically appeared right in front of you, like every harem series. I don't know. The girl with the rabbit ears seemed to have thought of something. She pokes the girl with fox ears and points at her to draw attention from her body. Oh no, don't tell me this is... The girl with fox ears looked down at her body and her face becomes red. Oh no! Before I can react, the girl with the fox ears pulls the one with the rabbit ears and both of them run away. Hold on, let me explain. When I yell after them, they already have run downstairs, and it sounds chaotic, where they seem to be bumping into a lot of things before opening the glass doors. Anyway, I think you should wear your clothes before going out. They seem to have run off quite a distance. Should I go after them? Forget it, my reaction is so slow. No wonder I always failed in my interviews. Wow. Slow reaction time. Where did they come from? What on earth happened? I put the wind chime back onto the table, wondering whether it's the cause of all this. It seems unscientific. Although, come to think of it, Grandpa had told me there were exorcists among my ancestors. Did I just release some demons? Seems too unscientific. I can't read. This is too unscientific. Oh, I read that correctly. Why did I... While I'm pondering over the wind chime, there's this white light all of a sudden. Whoa, what is going on? What's going on? Ew. And the two girls drop in front. They're still in rags, but a red symbol... Oh, I see it. But a red symbol like a glyph can be seen on their body. What? I guess right over here? And it's fading slowly. The girl with fox ears looks at me and goes, oh. And the girl with rabbit ears looks at me innocently. I didn't do anything. I quickly raised my hands to show my innocence. Come on, it's my own home. What, is it because of the bell? Oh god, ignore that. Ignore that, guys. Ignore that. Ignore that. Okay, it's gone. When I raised my hands, the wind chime swayed and jingled. The two girls immediately looked to be in agony at the same time. Oh, so it has something to do with the bell. Oh, great. This is gonna be cool. This wind chime really does have something to do with them. Sorry, I didn't mean to do it. I put the wind chime down gently. Just gently making sure that it's not hitting the thing. I didn't stop you two from leaving, right? Bind?
私たちがここを出て、あの透き通った門のようなものを開いた途端、頭の中に鈴の音が響いて、気づいたらここに戻ってきていたんです。
Huh. It's kind of interesting. I see. No wonder they appeared shortly after it ran out. But I found the wind chime by accident today. It isn't mine, I don't even know how to use it.
どういう意味？私たちを解放する気がないってこと？
No, I don't mean that, but I have no idea how to use it. This thing is probably a family heirloom handed out by my ancestors. And it doesn't come with an instruction manual. Just like life, guys. You can't be able to do things by tutorial. You gotta do it by yourself, guys.
なら、そのご先祖様に聞けばいいじゃない。
How do I do that, first of all? Where to find them? They passed away a long time ago. No, not even a long time ago. Like centuries ago. What the fuck?
どういうことよ。亡くなったってことだよ。
I don't know why my ancestors captured them. Yeah, I didn't kill them. And just seal them inside the wind chime. They might have committed minor offenses as demons, and one of my ancestors probably became busy with work and forgot to release them later. Wow. So far I'm liking this gameplay, guys. It's really good. Really interesting. How about this? Since both of you can't leave for quite some time, then stay here for the time being. I will try to find a way to help both of you when I'm free. The two of them look like ordinary girls instead of evil spirits. Yeah, I bet an evil spirit doesn't, you know. And I also have the chime to bind them. I probably won't need to worry too much on whether they would harm anyone.
あんたと一緒に暮らすっていうの？
Yes! Yes! I get 2 girls by myself. Any better ideas? Do you have any other place to live?
それは。
Oh my god. Sorry if you guys heard that. Freaking neck crack. The girl with fox ears looks at the one with rabbit ears. Seems they are consulting with each other. Or can he go back into the chime?
絶対に嫌よ。
ここに止めてください。
We got instant girls, guys. Okay, I'm probably gonna have to end it off here. Because this is gonna be...
ここに目印をつけますね。
I don't want this to become an hour-long thing, but I guess this is really... Well, let's see. Okay, just wait here, don't run off. I'll look for these sets of decent looking clothes for you. Okay, so we're gonna leave it at here, I guess.
オッケー、わかったわ。
We're gonna leave it at here. So, thank you guys for watching this episode of Fluffy Store, or this beginning episode of Fluffy Store. Yeah, I can tell this is gonna be a good game, and yeah, I'm really excited to play more of this, and I hope that people will like it if I play this game too. I have some high expectations for this game. Yeah. So anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. We got instant pussy, guys.